I'll put it this way. We haven't went below 10.
Mm-hmm. No under 10s. Right.
If it makes you happy, you've got your Rockstar sitting right there.
I know.
If it makes you even happier, you got another one right here.
Another 2 under there, thank you very much.
Yeah. But no, what I was going to do, I was going to show you the other one.
Not sponsored by Rockstar, unfortunately.
Yeah. JP for President 2016. And then Free literally says, I wouldn't worry then if it's for the radio year. PC building is easy, people say. It will be fun, they say.
Oddly enough, that's the same thing I said to you yesterday. Build a PC, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Have you got a dumpy screwdriver?
What's a dumpy screwdriver?
Screwdriver, but dumpy.
Smaller?
Yeah, little short one.
Oh, yeah, somewhere. I've got like a really, really dinky one.
Yeah, it's like that big.
Yeah, it's somewhere around there. Or is it? Where's my bag? My bag's down here.
No, but I need a dumpy screwdriver.
A dumpy screwdriver.
A dumpy screwdriver. Professionals!
Lol, stumpy.
Doesn't fit!
Stumpy, he means.
It doesn't fit.
That's my smallest. Or is it?
You know what, Simon? We're just going to redo this. Okay, we're going to try again.
Yeah!
That won't do it.
You don't say.
Come here then, Simon. Hold my water cooling.
I would like to clarify, this is the third time we've done this now.
Yep. Hey! We said it's gonna fuck up live on stream.
As the saying goes, third time the chat. Where's the RAM out?
I had to take it out to get the screws for the radiator.
Alright.
If you're paying attention to me, not watching the stream, you would know.
I was.
Right, hold there, water cooling, please.
Put the rod on the other way. Everyone is telling you to put it on the other way.
Hold the water cooling, Simon. Just hold it. Hold the motherfucker. We're gonna redo this. We're gonna try again. Tomorrow. Put it all away! Do it again tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, but they're all telling you to put it on the other way.
What? You mean like that?
Do you mean like that?
Because that's the way I was about to do it.
Yes.
That's what I was about to do! Do not panic. I've just seen the error in my ways. What did PCs they said? What did they said? You don't want to kill your best friend, they said. If you do, do it, they said. Oh, good thing I'm ignoring that last one, isn't it? So I don't have a dead Simon lying around.
Oh. Your ass.
Oh! Fucking washers! Can't even reach the top of that. How the fuck did we get it up there in the first place? Fuck it, they can see your windowsill. That's how we got it up there. We haven't got any space for that. No, we can't be fixing this live on stream. They can't even see it. They can't even see it.
No, I'm just generally saying, oh, there it goes. Third time installing radiator.
I might get it right by Tuesday.
What's this, a 48-hour long stream of building a PC? He'll get there yet. Meanwhile, a word from our sponsors. Wait, we don't have any. Bollocks!
Wait a moment.
the floods are doing?
Probably pretty good. It's alright, the army's helping. What could go wrong?
So why
Can't I dropped a screw? Washer.
So why are you doing it then?
Me?
I wouldn't have used them fans because they have a gap and you lose any pressure.
What? What's this guy babbling on about?
They have a gap and you lose pressure.
You mean the fans that are specifically designed for this radiator have a gap, so you lose pressure?
I think he's on about this small gap. Lol, yeah. You do realise there's still time to reconsider this push-pull system, right?
No, there isn't. There's no time to reconsider, Simon.
Yeah, there is. Look, if you put that one on, you've got a push and that's all you need.
I'm in push-pull, Simon.
Don't over-tighten, no need.
I know.
That your rock star.
Yeah.
So in 2 hours and 40 minutes, we've put them overboard together.
Ah! Dropped a lot of washers.
Put them overboard together. Got the case pretty much organised with fans and builds. Put a radiator in twice. About to put in a third time. Then we've took the RAM out. And put a CPU block on. In 2.5 hours.
Yep.
He's right about you only need push to get the same performance as push-pull. You need to generate more noise, so stay so stay with push-pull.
Push-pull are going on because I'm running my fans at a low speed, so they're quieter. That's why I'm going push-pull. And how the... it's okay, no, I haven't lost the washer. That's the one from the other side. Oh, thumbtack.
Probably the one that fell out of that.
Yes, yes it will be.
Would you want to pick it up the floor before you stab yourself again?
It's already stabbed at the bottom of my boot. It's alright, Simon. I have a thick sole.
I meant so you don't damage this, I can reuse it.
Oh, fuck you, man.
You know what sounds like a good idea after this? Like while it's like booting up and shit.
A flight.
Well, there's that. Mixed with a hot dog and pulled pork and all shit.
Yeah.
But I was thinking more of the pizzas downstairs.
Yeah. Yeah. I've got a knack.
He's got a rhythm that he's going to soon break when he comes to either half.
Oh. Okay. This is going to be hell to cable manage. Oh, that one there, isn't it? That one there.
I was about to say, did I just hear a washer?
Do you know what you heard?
What?
A fucking tin washer. So it's not fucking magnetic, is it?
By any chance is that my one?
Yeah.
you should see mine. Well, if you want to, take a picture and send it on Twitter. If you use exclamation point Twitter, then exclamation mark Twitter, sorry, you'll get a link to my Twitter and just send me a tweet with a picture.
Okay.
And then, if you'd like, we could also show the picture on stream.
That'll cost you 30 quid. To go towards our flights.
No, all money donated will go towards my wedding that I really need money for.
Yeah, that too. Right. Simone, I need your assistance.
Sorry, I don't answer that name.
Come here, Simon.
I don't even have a Twitter account. Fair enough. Well, if you
Fair
want.
play.
Try to think of anywhere else to send it. Nope, I can't think.
Okay, Simon. We need
It's time to hold it again.
that to go through. That is to go down.
Alright.
Wait a minute. How's that? Something like that, but is it won't go down? What the motherfucker? What the fuck?
What?
Got the loop in there. No, that's not gonna work. Oh my god! I'm gonna start shanking people soon.
I can already see it happening.
Right, you've still got a washer on, awesome. So have you, awesome. So do you, just about. So do you. And you. Really unfortunate if I had access to guns, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Very.
Okay then. Okay, I see how it is.
What?
I see what's going on here.
What's going on?
I have no idea.
Be right back. I need the bathroom.
Oh come on! I need you to fuck you, Simon.
I just need the bloody bathroom.
I need you to hold this thingy.
I'll be right back.
Clench for like 5 minutes.
I'll be back in less than that.
Oh my god. This is why you never work with animals, people. Never work with animals. It's a mistake. Or children. Never work with animals or children. Now, gonna come shuffle past here. Sorry about the crotch shot. Gonna come see. Yes, I can fit the radiator in the front of the case. Yes, there's plenty of room for flux capacitors. Because we need to have 1.16 gigawatts of power. But you know, all that. No, I don't want to put it in the front of the case because it pulls air through it and then it spits warm air into my case.
I'm back. What have you done?
They're telling me to put it in the front of the case.
Now you fit around, you guys do not leave enough for the flux capacitor.
Something about flux and capacitors and shit.
Won't it exhaust?
Not in the front of the case, no. The front of the case it'll pull air in. It's that or it'll spit air out the front of the case, but I don't want to spit air out the front of the case when it's going out the back of the case.
Especially since you're going to be sitting in front of the case.
Exactly. Oh, okay.
Careful on that bag.
But it's crap. We need to work out how we're getting that in there. It's going on the top of my case. It's being an exhaust on the top of my case because that means it doesn't disrupt.
How about this?
Yeah, yours will spit air out the front because of the way you've got your fans round. I don't want mine to spit air out the front. That's
How
not
about
what I'm
this?
saying.
Move it back over there, but flip it around. So then you've got the pipes here instead. Like the original idea I suggested when you had a problem.
Well, then I've got to undo the fans and flip them round, and I'd rather shoot myself in the foot.
Is it going to make it work?
Probably.
Then there you go.
Or I could put it in the base of the case. Put it down here.
You could. But I know you want it up there.
Yeah.
What GPU is that? It's not, that's not the GPU.
Put it there.
Yeah, I like that.
And then the Corsair's upside down. Do you know how much that's going to bug me? Do you know how much that's going to annoy me?
Hate that case. Too tight.
It's fucking huge, this case, mate. It's just being an awkward cunt, that's what it's
But
doing.
no, that's not the GPU. The GPU is not even installed yet.
Yeah, the GPU's still in its fucking box.
This is the GPU. It's still sitting here. So yeah. Lovely. Oh, that's the radiator.
Okay, we're going to rewind for a moment. We're going to think. This is why people always
So you don't care
for-
much for DX12.
Eh?
I should show the GPU and he's like, so you don't care much for DX12.
That is DX12. 980 Ti, it is DX12. Who's denying the fact that it's DX12?
Free Leecher, the person that's been giving you advice.
Scandalous.
Do a GPU unboxing. We will when we get there.
We gotta get to the bloody thing first. Right,
We've done an unboxing for everything else so far.
Here's a question, Simon.
What?
Whose fucking idea was this?
Yours.
Ow! Caught it. It's okay.
It's DX12, but it's no AMD async shaders. The R920X was on par with the 980 Ti in its benchmark. I ruffled.
Tell me the R9X is
The
on par.
the R290X
Yeah, the R290X.
was on par with the 980 Ti.
Right. With 3 times the power consumption and 4 times the heat. Yeah, I know. Looks like we have an AMD fanboy with us.
All I saw was radiator installation. AMD, why would you use GPU to cook eggs?
Pretty much, yeah. That's what an AMD is for. Cooking your own fucking eggs.
I should give one to Mel. She maybe actually cook them then.
Ooh, burning on the fiance.
No, she can't cook an egg.
Cunt!
I cook bacon on the R9 390X.
390X is just a rebanded 290. Just saying. Rebranded 290X. Plus, the X is a rather, I suppose one of the washers, a rather toasty son of a bitch. Well, out of them 4 washers, got 2 of them. Make that 3. Got 3.
Uber mode. That's actually been proven wrong. Fact is, Nvidia uses more power than AMD. Just look at the Fury Nano. It's a 4K card that runs on 175 watts. Maybe
Yeah.
so, but it doesn't stop the fact I like Nvidia more, just because they're cooler to me.
It's also the Nano is a card designed to go into an ITX build. It's designed to run on.
They're
low power
constantly
with
moving
tiny-
the bar. Even then, I just think Nvidia's cooler.
I have a full AMD build at home with Radeon graphics card. This is an all expenses paid. No holds barred. All rules apply. Oh, that kind of thing. So, what did you do today, John Paul? Oh, you know, I put on a graphics, put on a radio.
GTX 480 120C. I want Zen so bad. Hope it's good. I rate Nvidia over AMD. I don't. Nvidia boys. They're on par with each other, actually. It's 6 and 2 threes. It all comes down to personal preference.
Doesn't know, does it really? Comes down to your budget.
But even then, it's like, say if you've got the budget to do whatever you like, it's 6 and 2 threes. There are people that will personally use AMD, and there's people that will personally use Nvidia. I am one of them people, no matter how much money I had, I'd rather save up the extra pennies and get Nvidia.
Pennies, mate. Extra few thousand pennies.
Yeah, but you know what I mean?
Well, if there's a washer.
Yeah, not saying AMD is bad, I just prefer Nvidia same as Intel. I completely agree with that. I prefer Intel and Nvidia over AMD.
Do you know the amount of problems I'm having right now? I'd rather take my whole system. Look out, I've lost the washer!
Go green!
I may have lost another washer.
I actually haven't gained a washer.
Yes, I've genuinely lost a washer this time.
I've owned over 15 Nvidia cards since the 90s. Since early 90s. I left and came back, and you are redesigning? No, fixing problems.
And missing a washer again. Huh. Okay. Looks like we're missing another washer.
No. Like I say, you sure you haven't gained one?
No, I'm genuinely missing one this time.
DX12 full release, and Zen should hopefully put pressure on Intel and Nvidia.
What's he cracking on about?
Don't know, saying Zen. I think you found a screwdriver.
Oh. Ah. Simon,
What?
could you come hold the water cooler, please?
Come in. Got it.
I told you this would happen. I told you it would fuck it up.
Not the time. No!
Hang the fucker up.
I can't even get to the phone to hang up. Hello.
Hello, Simon.
Hello, Kimmy.
Just a heads up this morning. Don't know when it's going to be happening, but every electric in Carlisle and Thorn areas and everything will be put off for 3 hours.
Great. News from Kimmy. Every phone aerial and electric in Carlisle is getting cut off for 3 hours.
Who says this?
We don't know when though.
The government. Fair enough. Do you know roughly when?
It won't happen.
Know when. Because you know, Jimmy's flooding, so the electric tower thing there,
Yeah.
that, most of that half of that was
Wow.
that's all.
Fair enough. My chat can hear you on the. We're just letting you know we're streaming, and the chat can hear you, and they're telling me to say hello.
So just a heads up so you know when the electric comes out, you know why.
Fair enough. So chat, if my stream dies, it's because I've lost electric because my hometown's been flooded.
It's currently like half of it's underwater right now.
The new electric safety of what's happening in Carlisle is like big cities is literally a spell. Floodage is just underneath the rooftops of the rivers of water.
Jesus.
Depot is flooded. Sainsbury's is flooded. All down there is flooded. It's really bad. You go and buy walls, you see the two pictures I've shared, and that Sainsbury's and Big City is flooded. You see how bad it is.
Fair enough. I'll have a look if my
Have a look at it.
if-
Let us know what you think. And I said, you know, do you remember Danny Collier? I
Yeah.
told you read that. It's flooded.
fair enough.
Drive everything up.
Yeah.
I've got parakeets going.
That's what I've been doing. I've just been charging my phone. So I'm holding a radiator so it doesn't fall and damage. And you, Ryan, I'm trying to grab my phone out the charge. It's like, ah!
Gonna go. That makes me like heat. But I don't know about that.
Even if I could stay on heating, I've pretty much got no heating left because Mel constantly has it on.
Yeah. Anyway, let us know what you think. How bad you think it's flooded.
Fair enough.
Alright, see you later.
Speak to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Look, good news and bad news.
Lost the washer.
That's the good news.
Bad news.
Lost the washer.
Hold that for a sec. What's Chapman saying? We can hear her. You don't need. Well, okay, what? Jesus Christ, I think I missed a bit. That tall, see that new round with the heat spreaders? You don't need a CD tray, remove them. Did you? Did you see the new RAM with the heat spreaders? We can hear a hello as hello. Tell him, is it as Elder Kappa? Put it off for 3 hours. Tell him we can hear her voice. Peaks, you wanted water cooling, lol. Yorkshire? No. No, I'm in Carlisle. In Cumbria, Carlisle. So, yeah, that's the city. It's currently flooded.
Joyful. Right. Okay, so you're saying put it that way.
No, other way. I'm saying that way.
Then the Corsair's upside down.
Yeah, well, you've seen the problems you had last time. Because this, if you put it the other way around, it's going to go in there.
Alright, so you're saying I put that there.
Yeah. Because if you turn it around at that exact position, the pipes are going to go into the fan.
Yeah. Okay. Move the screwdriver, please.
And I knew you could hear it, like, I wasn't really fussed. By the way, just to point that out there.
Good news!
Found the washer.
Found the washer!
Doesn't matter if it's upside down the logo.
It does though! OCD, man! Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna go in that way. That needs to go on that way, yes?
The logo on your graphics card will be upside down.
No, it won't! No, because they've actually started thinking about that and putting it the right fucking way up.
That's pissed me off for ages. Yeah, we've seen these images before. You were showing me them. Sainsbury's and that. Jesus Christ, have you seen my fitties?
Yeah.
But no, for the 3 hour cut off, we don't know when it's going to happen.
It could happen at any point, so if we magically lose power, the stream will stop, and this will continue.
The recording may still go on. If you want to get it built tonight, that is.
If we lose power, how the fuck are you going to record it, Simon?
Shut up, I didn't think of that. I know. Phone.
No. It will have to sit and wait. If we lose power, it will have to sit and wait until We regain
In
power.
fact, I just thought if we lose power midstream, the recording could become corrupt.
Yep. And then, well, to be fair, we haven't really done much. Let's start again tomorrow.
I have an idea.
What is your idea, Simon? If you want to stop the recording and start it again, at least get to a point where I'm not doing something.